iPhone SE 4 might not be dead after all and could launch soon. Previously, we got to know that Apple might skip launching the rumored iPhone SE 4, and this was highly backed by analyst Ming-Chi Kuo. More than a month later, the tables have turned and Kuo now believes that Apple will launch the iPhone SE 4 after all and has now started working on it. Here's what to expect. iPhone SE 4 most likely be a reality. A recent tweet by Kuo suggests that Apple has restarted the iPhone SE 4 and it will come with its custom 5G baseband chip, thus, replacing modems by Qualcomm. This is something we have heard before. This was also reportedly the reason why Apple has earlier planned to stop making the iPhone SE 4. The 5G baseband chip is expected to be based on the 4nm process and support sub-6 GHz bands. It remains to be seen if Apple passes all the technical challenges for this, and if this happens, we can expect Apple to stop relying on Qualcomm chips. Based on the iPhone SE 4's sales in the first half of 2024, the Apple Watch and the iPad could also ditch Qualcomm chips. Another major change we might see is the inclusion of an OLED display panel instead of an LCD one. This could be a big 6.1-inch screen as expected earlier. For those who don't know, the current iPhone SE features a 4.7-inch display, and if this change actually becomes a reality, it would be a major one. Although, an OLED display could mean a rather expensive price tag. It is expected to be a minor modification of the 6.1-inch iPhone 14, so, we can expect the same design ethos, which would be a major design overhaul. Previously, an iPhone XR-like design was in the news. As for the specs, there could be performance, camera, battery, and more upgrades as compared to the iPhone SE 3, but nothing is available at the moment. We also need to see whether or not the present information by Kuo becomes true. Whatever the case is, we expect to see the new iPhone SE 4 in 2024 and will have to wait for proper details on this. We shall keep you posted. Stay tuned and do tell us if you want the next-gen iPhone SE in the comments below.